have a question. I want to know, it's like a two-part question. One, do y'all want us to tell y'all when y'all dick is weak? And two...
Who's dick? Who's dick?
Let her get the part 2 out real quick.
And part 2 is, why don't we tell them when their dick is weak?
I can answer part 2. I can answer part 2 because a lot of their ego is tied to their sexual.
Lie. Go ahead.
A lot of their ego is tied to how they sexually perform. So when you say it's weak, it's not big enough, you're not hitting the right spots, I'm not coming. It's like a hit to their manhood.
It's definitely a hit to their manhood, but y'all don't see this often. I'm gonna say I disagree.
Okay.
I disagree. I think a lot of the times the conversations are not being had because a lot of us just do not know how to fucking communicate with each other. Yeah. I think in real life, we're uncomfortable. We're not comfortable having uncomfortable conversations.
Absolutely.
And we have to get more comfortable. If you can give your body to a person, why can you not say to that same person,
hold on.
Hey, your dick tastes like pee a little bit earlier.
First of all, fuck the whole fuck on.
Y'all go quit acting like y'all don't drip dry.
Hey.
Y'all be drip drying.
Hey.
In order to have a good communication, it takes two, right?
Absolutely.
So sometimes you're able to have that talk, because I know, girl, I've been through it.
Amen.
Hey, I'm the only one not coming. I don't want to bother you.
Whoa, it's
You're
me.
a hard worker. You're doing well, black man.
But do they want to know?
What? He wasn't ready to receive it.
Yeah.
Like, you got to be also ready to receive that type of... Because the women that he had in the past probably faked the shape, nigga.
Right.
Yeah.
Well,
So this is what you do.
Fontaine.
Just get on top.
Fontaine.
You can't go wrong on top.
Yes, you can.
For sure.
Y'all be on top for 2 minutes.
Y'all don't know how to handle dicks. Y'all be on there scooting with the scoop pussy.
Whoa.
Stop doing that.
Scoop pussy has nothing to do with you and everything to do with us.
Hold on.
Just trying to get that hard shake, my nigga.
Hold on.
If I'm scooting, I'm just trying to come. I'm just trying to come.
Exactly.
Excuse me. Riding dick has less to do with how good your coochie is and how much cardiovascular endurance you got, motherfucker. Some of y'all know y'all be on that motherfucker. You start off strong on them knees and you got your feet up. You start
I
off
don't
real
do that
strong.
shit. I'm married.
About 30 seconds in.
That nigga knew I had weak knees when he met me.
I don't even start like that. I start laying down playing chest to chest, nigga. It's up to you what's going on right now, my G.
No, hold on.
Get it how you live, my nigga.
Wait, Ace, before I want to say, and of course I'm not saying this to anyone specifically, but a lot of y'all literally do not know how to make yourselves come.
Whoa.
So these things are important, and so, especially if you meet a nigga, this is your first time you fuck them, and you're like, oh, he ain't fucked me right. I don't even fucking know you. So it's no way.
Excuses.
Always
No, let me
excuses.
answer.
Y'all, if you can't make yourself come, you need 45 minutes with your machine thing. I'm a person.
Never needed 45 minutes.
Hold
Whatever
on.
to be the-
Randy, let me get a stab at this, and then Trip, I'll let you clean up. Here's the thing. Ladies, y'all know I love you. So I'm saying this with care, but I want you to receive it. You can't keep putting this on that man's plate if you don't know how to be assertive about what you need and what you want. So you don't even try, but you're gonna use the excuse of his feelings might be hurt as a right to give you not to talk about it and suffer in silence and then come to a podcast.
Okay, so can I ask you a question?
And then ask it on
Can I ask you a
live TV. So go ahead. So hold on. To clean it up is, ladies, being assertive, you can do that with care. It can be tact. It don't have to be like your dick is weak. It can be like, hey babe, when you was doing this, that was cool. But I love it when you did this. Can we spend more time doing
But the
that?
niggas be like, well, she said it was cool.
No, be encouraging. Go ahead.
And that's it.
We've done a lot of talking about who ain't got it, and we doing finger pointing. So I just want to shout out to the women that do know what they doing with the coochie. Because I know plenty of women who ain't ever even had to speak to that man and get him adjusted in the coochie. They just hook a leg around you a little bit and keep your left hip from moving too much.
Called the Long John
And
Silvers.
they tuck you back in to where you supposed to be. And they adjust your stroke without you ever knowing what the fuck went down, bro. And in 3 to 5 good minutes, she done got everything she needed.
Well,
I don't know about y'all ladies who be out here complaining about the dick that y'all not getting, but I do know there's a special brand of woman out there that know how to get hers regardless of who the fuck she invited to the bedroom. So to that specific woman, I thank you. From the bottom of my heart and the bottom of the hearts of every real nigga here, I thank you. Because excuses can be made about what niggas ain't doing, but a real woman gonna get hers because that's what she came for.
period.